Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Motorola Razr 2022. And to do this, first let's open any app that allows us to make a screenshot of a full page, and in this case that's the settings. Now press the volume down and power key at the same time to take a screenshot. You can always use a different method if you prefer it. Here I'm just gonna do this with these keys. Then click on the button right down from the screenshot, and here record entire page, and it should save, so we can click on it and you can see that the screenshot was taken. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.